Tire repair kits are crucial for motorists, offering a speedy solution for fixing tire punctures without needing professional help. There are many products available to choose tire repair kits, each with different characteristics, benefit and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best tire repair kits from reputable brands. After much research, I found those products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. O-Town Tire Repair Kit. The O-Town Tire Repair Kit stands out for its high quality and durable design, making it the top choice for fixing tires. Made from high-quality steel, this 68-piece set is built to last, offering strong adhesion, flexibility, and shock absorption for durable repairs that keep air in. It's versatile too, suitable for a wide variety of vehicles including cars, motorcycles, ATVs, tractors, and RVs, which makes it a must-have for any vehicle owner. The kit is also easy to use, thanks to its T-handle and spiral probe tool that simplify the repair process. It comes with a compact, portable storage case to keep everything organized and easy to carry, ensuring you don't waste space. Perfect for both beginners and experienced professionals, the O-Town Tire Repair Kit has all you need for quick and effective repairs, helping you get back on the road quickly. Number 2. Betul Tire Repair Kit. The Betul Tire Repair Kit is a straightforward yet comprehensive solution for flat tire puncture repairs. This 24-piece kit includes everything you need for quick, on-the-go repairs, making it ideal for a wide range of vehicles, including cars, motorcycles, ATVs, and trucks. Its simplicity does not compromise its effectiveness, featuring a durable T-handle made of heavy steel that provides ample leverage for inserting the tire repair plugs, ensuring a secure and lasting repair. Designed to be universally compatible with any tubeless tire, this kit stands out for its plug-and-go efficiency, enabling drivers to fix punctures anytime, anywhere without removing the tire from the rim. The inclusion of self-vulcanization repair plugs, a 4-way valve stem tool, and detailed instructions ensures that even those with minimal repair experience can confidently address tire damages. The Betul Tire Repair Kit proves to be an indispensable tool for anyone looking to maintain their vehicle's readiness and safety on the road. Number 3. Orkish 70 PCS Tire Repair Kit. The Orkish 70 PCS Tire Repair Kit offers a complete and professional for fixing tire punctures on a variety of vehicles. With 70 pieces including high-quality repair tools and accessories like plugs, strings, and lubricant, this kit has everything you need for quick repairs without needing extra tools. It's designed for convenience, helping drivers get back on the road fast and efficiently. Made with top-grade steel and zinc alloy, the Orkish kit is durable and rust-resistant, while the butyl rubber tire strips are flexible and long-lasting. The kit is easy to use for everyone, from beginners to experts, and comes in a portable case that's easy to organize and doesn't take up much space. Perfect for cars, motorcycles, trucks, ATVs, or tractors, its versatility and comprehensive design make it ready for any repair situation. Number 4. Cicado Universal Tire Repair Kit. The Cicado Universal Tire Repair Kit is a must-have for any vehicle owner, offering a robust solution for flat tire punctures with its 36-piece set. This kit is designed to address the needs of autos, motorcycles, trucks, RVs, and more, providing a universal fit for a wide array of tubeless tires. The high-strength, rustless zinc alloy construction of the T-handle tools ensures durability and ease of use, allowing for quick and efficient repairs without the need to remove the tire from the rim. Featuring 20 repair plugs made from the best natural rubber, this kit guarantees an airtight seal and excellent aging resistance, extending the life of your repairs. The inclusion of a portable bag makes this kit not only a reliable repair solution, but also a convenient one. The airtight plastic bag design maximizes the service life of the tire plugs, ensuring that they remain effective until needed. Whether you're faced with an unexpected flat tire or preparing for potential future punctures, the Cicado Tire Repair Kit is an indispensable addition to your car emergency accessories. Number 5. Boulder Tools Compact Tire Repair. Boulder Tools has meticulously engineered a compact tire repair kit that is as rugged as it is essential, making it the perfect companion for your ODV, ATV, truck, motorcycle, or RV. This kit is designed not just for convenience, but for resilience, offering everything you need to repair tubeless tires on a variety of vehicles. Whether you find yourself on a remote off-road adventure or a long highway journey, this kit ensures you can tackle tire repairs with confidence and ease. The professional-grade tools and accessories included mean that you're prepared for any tire repair situation without needing to seek out professional help. The Boulder Tools kit's standout feature is its compactness, achieved without sacrificing the completeness or quality of the tools. Stored in a rugged mall pouch, this kit easily fits within limited storage spaces in your vehicle, or can be attached to your overlanding gear. This not only makes it the ideal motorcycle toolkit or ATV tire plug kit, but also an indispensable part of your overlanding gear. The superior grade quality of the tools differentiates Boulder Tools from other brands, providing better handles, top-quality plugs, and reliable customer service that stands behind their products. Explore with the peace of mind knowing you have a high-quality, comprehensive tire repair kit at your disposal. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.